head, shoulder, knees and toes. Let me see what head, shoulder, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Phonological awareness. Phonological awareness is awareness about the sounds. First, you make clear that everything has a sound. Everything creates a sound. If there are different the snake is in the grass. So it's like joining both the teeth and saying the sound. A-E-O-O. Again. A-E-O-O. Now. How? She. Live. Do. The.